Welcome back to part 2 of my journey in building my own programming language. Today, I'm excited to break down the core steps involved in creating a language from scratch. If you missed part 1, be sure to check it out for the basics. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, define the purpose of your language. Is it for scripting, web development, or game development? Understanding its primary use case will guide your design choices and features. Next, plan the features of your language. Think about aspects like dynamic typing, control structures, functions, and object-oriented programming. Decide on these features early on, as they will shape how users interact with your language. Now, let's talk about syntax design. This is crucial as it dictates how users will write code. Consider how variables are declared, what loops and conditionals look like, and how functions are defined. Take inspiration from existing languages, but aim to create something unique. Once you have your syntax, it's time to build a lexer. The lexer scans the raw code and breaks it down into tokens like keywords, operators, and identifiers. For example, in a line of code like let x5, the lexer would identify tokens for let, x, and 5, making it easier for your system to understand the structure. After the lexer, we move to the parser. The parser takes the tokens from the lexer and builds an abstract syntax tree, AST. This tree helps check if the code follows your language's grammar rules, ensuring everything is in the right place. Next up is semantic analysis. This step checks for type errors and scope issues. For example, if you try to add a string and a number, your language should catch that and throw an error. Now it's time to decide, will you build an interpreter or a compiler? An interpreter executes code line by line, which is great for scripting languages, while a compiler translates the whole program into machine code, which can be faster for larger applications. Choose based on your language's goals. Once you have your interpreter or compiler set up, you'll need to develop a runtime and basic libraries. These will provide essential functions and operations, making it easier for users to perform common tasks. Finally, don't forget to create testing tools and documentation. Testing frameworks help users validate their code, and comprehensive documentation ensures they understand how to use your language effectively. Both are critical for user adoption and satisfaction. And there you have it. Those are the core steps to creating your own programming language. It's a challenging but rewarding journey that requires creativity, technical skills, and dedication. If you are interested in seeing how I tackle each of these steps, stick around for future videos where I'll share my progress and dive deeper into each topic. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your own experiences with programming languages.